Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough money. But the truth is, many people stay broke because of silent mistakes that eat away at their cash every single month. In this video, I'll show you the 5 biggest money mistakes young people make. And if you fix even one of these, you'll already be ahead of most of your friends financially. Let's dive in. The first mistake is lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your expenses increase too. New phone, fancier clothes, eating out more. This traps you in the same financial place, no matter how much you earn. The fix? Create a rule for every raise or bonus. Save at least 50% before you upgrade your lifestyle. The second mistake is falling into debt traps. Credit cards, EMIs, and easy loans look harmless, but interest piles up fast. By the time you pay them off, you've given away years of your future income. Solution? Only buy what you can pay for in cash. If you must use a card, pay the full bill before the due date. The third mistake is not tracking your expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, it will control you instead of the other way around. Most people are shocked when they track for the first time. They realize they spend thousands on food delivery or subscriptions they never use. Fix? Use a simple notebook, Excel sheet, or free apps like Walnut or Money Manager. The fourth mistake is delaying investing. Many people think they'll start later when they have more money. But the earlier you start, the more compounding works in your favor. Even 500 rupees per month invested can turn into lakhs over time. The fix? Choose safe and ethical investment options like gold, index funds, or other low-risk assets and start today. The final mistake is lacking discipline. Money success is not about motivation. It's about consistency. If you can't stick to a budget, if you keep spending emotionally, no salary will ever be enough. Discipline means saying no today so you can say yes tomorrow. So to recap, avoid lifestyle inflation, escape debt traps, track your expenses, start investing early, and build discipline. Master these 5, and you'll already be far ahead of most people financially. If you found this useful, check the description for my free guide on simple money habits you can start today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. That will help you take control of your money and your life.